If you want to hide apps from app library on iPhone, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, hold the app, okay? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna see the third option, require Face ID, click on it, and as you can see right here, it says that this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. Just go ahead and click the second option, hide and require facial recognition. And as you can see right here, this app will no longer be visible on your iPhone except in a few places such as settings, Face ID, or your passcode will be required to reveal, open, or use Siri with the app. Go ahead and click hide app, and as you can see right here, the app is hidden. If you want to pin down the hidden apps, just go ahead to your apps right here or swipe left to your apps, scroll a little bit down, click the hidden, and as you can see right here, you're gonna you're gonna confirm via facial recognition. Hold the app, and then basically you're gonna be able to see it. If you don't want to hide the app anymore, just go ahead and hold the app, and then you're gonna see the second option, do not require Face ID, and you're gonna verify via facial recognition. You're gonna be able to get back to it later. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.